Good morning, TV crew. Actually, it's not good morning for me. I'm not looking forward to that. We are gonna cross border from Senegal to Mauritania, and it is really corrupt border crossing. I cannot breathe. Actually,
Do euro, we change per euro.
the one thing, the Russia is so corrupted. So when people heard that they're gonna make the bridge in here, they thought that, you know, like overlanders and travelers, they thought that they don't need to pay the bridge, but they put the bar, so they have to pay it. TV crew, we crossed the border and we are officially in Mauritania. We are gonna head to the really horrible road. So you look forward to going in?
Nope, but we gotta do it.
Yeah, let's go. You're a badass. You got this.
There's the scratching. Holy crap.
Oh my god. 칼 사올 걸. Chop everything like.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh. Unfortunately, once we get out here.
We got it! Yay! Good morning, TV crew. We stay in the national park in Mauritania. It's really good, and the wild camping always giving us a little bit of spirit. I guess like we love wild camping. And one thing is, I almost stepped myself for shooting this tree. Look at that. Look at this drone. If you don't know it, you can get in trouble. Today we are gonna head to the Nouakchott, which is like 4 hours away from here. But with our TV condition, we are expecting to drive 5 to 6 hours. So from today, we are gonna keep driving and then head to the Morocco. Are you ready to go?
Yeah, just doing the final inspection.
Just be careful of the poo-poo.
Yeah.
Okay. You're ready to go, I guess.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes today.
Guys, we just paid a national park fee. It's a 200 ugia, which is €5 per person. We are seeing a lot of camels. I don't know why. And then this road is quite rough too, as you guys can see. I think it would take longer, but I think we're gonna stop a few times to see see Pumbaa or other animals too.
Yeah, it's our last chance.
Oh my god. Oh my god. 뭐야? Oh my god, what's wrong? Seriously.
We're almost out of it.
Look at this. Someone got stuff for yours. Look at that butt. Pumbaa. Oh my god. I can never on the camera.
Look at you.
진짜 작아. 너무 작아. 진짜 미니미야. 어떡해. 1시간째 운전 중입니다. I think I feel like I let it burned out. Guys, we have been driving for 2 hours, and then you guys can see the map. This is where we started. So we only drove 1/3 for 2 hours, and it will take longer than what I planned to Nouakchott. Do you think we can go that way? Around it? No, not much room, right? Oh my god. So guys, we have a problem. This is the truck is broken down and it's blocking the road. So the problem is we are not sure, we can get down. The problem is how we can get back on the main road.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Get a little bit of speed here to make sure
Yeah, right.
I'm thinking. There we go. Can you see over there?
Yeah, it's muddy.
We'll see how it goes.
Alright. 아니 동키였네.
Donkeys are guarded with the camera.
똥구멍 보인다. 똥구멍 보인다. 비키라. Movement durations 3 hours, 11 minutes, 50 seconds. Average speed moving is 12.58 kilometer per hour. So for 3 hours, 12 minutes, 19 seconds, how many kilometer we move? It is 40.35 kilometer for 3 hours. Yay! We are screwed. 지금 포장도로가 아니고 포장도로에 왔습니다. 이제 말도 잘 안 나온다. 하이파이브.
High five.
Weird 하이파이브. Welcome to Mauritania. 와우. 엄마랑 애기 같아. 우리 바라보는 거 같지 않았어? 제 여기서 차를 운전하다 보니까 지금 루프렉 쪽 사다리에 애들이 매달려 있더라고요, 2명. 그래? 다행이다. 너무 범피해서 내려온 거 아니가? Yeah, let's go.
Outskirts of Nouakchott.
Welcome to Mauritania. 잘했다. 고생했다. 야, 저번에 너무 까먹까먹할 때 왔었는데 오늘은 그래도 해 있을 때 왔다. Good morning. Ania.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
I'm refilling all of our waters
Okay.
before we go.
Awesome. Oh, it's so windy today. 오! 조심해.
It's slippery here.
물은 들어가고 있고. Good morning, guys. We slept well in Nouakchott. Today we are gonna head to between the Nouakchott to the border because we cannot go to border today because it's quite a far away. So the middle point, it is like 3 hours 40 minutes away. It will take 5 hours to get there. So before we reach to the next campsite, we don't know water quality over there, so we are filling up the water. Mark is filling up over there. Working men. We are leaving the campsite and we are gonna find the photocopy or like printer shop that we can copy our passport and then car reservations in English version because we use them all. We don't have any more.
Yeah.
So-
We probably have at least 10 or 12 more checkpoints to go through.
Yeah. 미국 대사관. So if you lost your passport, you can get it in here, huh?
Yeah.
Right next to the main road. We fill up the TV's belly. Now we have to leave Nouakchott. Guys, getting out of the Nouakchott and getting in Nouakchott, you are gonna go through a lot of police checkpoints. This time we did too, but it's the weird thing is that we only keep the one copy of our passport and the car registrations. Last time I think we gave them like a 3 or 4.
Yeah, but we're not finished. Another checkpoint's coming up.
그럼 카메라 가려야겠다. Okay, another checkpoint?
Oh, it's on man.
Okay, this is a checkpoint. There's no one. So I think we are out, right?
So,
Officially, right?
For a while, we'll have some more checkpoints later on.
But yeah, today I think we are good from Nouakchott, right?
Yeah, now we have to get through this crazy road that's coming up.
Yeah. Woohoo! The road is kind of missing on the edge and it will get worse as you know, like we remember previously.
This is what it looks like, right?
Oh, now I remember the nighttime nightmare. Thank you. Shukran. So this kind of road is keep coming up, and luckily, you know, that nice van just like stop on the other side, and so that we can pass. But I really hope, like a cross finger, there's no truck the other side when we are having like a missing road. Last time, the nighttime, the trucks was like the other side, like pushing us, so that's the reason why we hit the missing road so hard, and then tire was gone. So if we are gonna miss a tire this time, I think we are gonna have a little bit of a problem. So we don't really have the spare tire. So yeah, no spare tire is not a good idea, but hopefully, cross the finger. Wish us luck! Oh, sand.
Yeah, that's sand.
Guys, we got on the new road. It's pretty nice because as it's not, you know, like missing anymore, it's quite smooth too.
Yeah, this road wasn't here when we were
Yeah.
young.
Right, it's like really brand new. When we were in Senegal, I guess they built this one. Oh no!
Wow. That lasted a whole, like, maybe
Dun 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 dun.
500
Oh shit!
meters.
It's going to. Okay. So it ends. Sorry, not sorry, right?
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Bad. Oh, really bad. I can see the
Yeah.
how can I say metal bar?
Yeah.
이 도로 미쳤습니다, 여러분.
Can't avoid this one.
Yeah.
There we go. Let's see. So it's campsite. Ah, here, a berge.
Oh, they're closed. 대박고 어린 고트야. 종이 입에 물고 간다. What happened to my hair? I didn't know. Guys, we arrive in the campsite. Unfortunately, the campsite front gate and side gate is covered with the sand. It looks like they haven't, you know, like doing the business for a long time because it's covered, like it's just sand dune in front of the their gate. So I think it's kind of closed. So right across to that campsite, there's a hotel. Mark went out and asked them a little bit of information, you know, like that campsite to close, or we can park here, gotta sleep inside of a car, something like that. If it's not working with them, well, I think we are gonna go to Gendarmerie Nationale. So we are gonna go to the Gendarmerie is kind of military kind of police, should I say? So there's the office. There's kind of parking lot, and people said that you can sleep there as long as they will ask your fish, which is a copy of your passport, but you know you can sleep there. If it's not working, we can go to Gendarmerie Nationale. Why not? 왜? 뭐래?
They won't allow us to camp here.
They want us
They
to
would give us
sleep.
a room.
어.
It's
왜?
nasty.
나 어제 바퀴벌레랑 같이 샤워도 했기 때문에.
Oh, definitely. There's bed bugs and cockroaches and everything. in it. It's so nasty. It smells terrible.
So guys, this is not gonna work because like they don't want us to sleep inside of the van. They want us to use their room. I mean, absolutely makes sense because hotel, right? Yesterday, I took a shower with cockroach on my ankle. Luckily, I took off my glasses. My eyesight is bad, so I didn't see it. Mark told me that was cockroach on my ankle. Okay. Oh, by car is 1 minute. Let's go to Gendarmerie.
Man, your phone is thick.
Fat.
It's fatty phone. This campsite's been closed for a while.
내 생각에도 다시 오래된 것 같아. 게이트가 샌둔이잖아.
Yeah.
이제 오래됐어. 바이바이. 젠다마리 쪽에 가면 이제 카메라 꺼야 될 수도 있다.
Yeah.
Okay. There's Gendarmerie. Alright. I'm gonna cut.
Oh, is it on?
It's on. We enter the wall, the Gendarmerie office. So they can have a kind of security issues. So we are not gonna shoot outside at all, and we're just gonna we're just gonna you know shoot only videos inside. We are not gonna bring the camera
Oh,
outside.
what?
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum.
Ça va? Ça va
Va
bien.
bien.
Ça va bien. Les voitures.
Move the car over there.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Okay, alright.
키 줄래?
Key.
Thank you. 천천히 가볼게. Just kind of settle things down a little bit. I'll move
Okay,
everything over to the other
알았어.
seat.
Guys, I'm gonna shoot it later. Okay?
Okay, TV crew. I'm ready to go sleep. And tomorrow is another day. We are gonna go from Mauritania to Morocco border crossing. From this place to Morocco border, it would take 2 hours 30 minutes. We experience a little bit of bad road end of today, and tomorrow it will start. It will be like that. It will be kind of worse road. I think it will take a while to go to cross the border. But anyways, tomorrow will be another adventure, and I'm gonna close the vlog before that. Venti boy. He claimed that that is his short pants, but it's not. So anyways, before I close the vlog, I want to say special thanks to TV Crew channel membership members and the Patreon members. I'm gonna put the names up, and then see you tomorrow, and have a good night. Have a good sleep. Have a good night.
And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, we'll try to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody listens.